Look at this beautiful mobile app I just built and launched. You can go and pick any important personality. You can send a message to them. And if you don't have the free tier left, you can also upgrade. You can confirm this purchase and you can test this valid purchase, and voila, you can start chatting with them every single day on this app itself. And just look how beautiful this app looks right here. Now I built this entire app along with the payment integration with Replit itself. Replit just partnered with RevenueCat to allow anyone to build mobile apps and monetize them seamlessly without any problems. And in this video, I'll show you how to build apps just like this, launch them on the App Store and monetize them with the help of RevenueCat. If you're excited, hit that like button and let's get started. But first of all, what is Replit? Replit is a vibe coding platform that allows anyone to build websites and mobile apps by simply describing what you want in plain text, and watch it build all the components, write all the code, take care of the design, take care of the backend, the server, right in front of you. You can also start building agents and automations and whatnot with the help of Replit. But today we'll look at building mobile apps with Replit and monetizing them with the help of RevenueCat. So now Replit has partnered with RevenueCat so that any mobile app that you build can seamlessly start accepting payments from people around the world, be it on iOS or Play Store, and start getting recurring subscriptions for the apps that you build. All right, so this right here is replit.com. This is where you will describe the mobile app that you want, the landing page that you want, and watch it plan and build and design everything within minutes. That's the best part about it. Let's say I want to make a mobile app where I can get mentored by the most intelligent people ever existed on Earth. So people like Albert Einstein, people like Isaac Newton, people like Elon Musk. I want to learn from them. So I can create these specialized chatbots where I can chat with these people in this mobile app. So I've just written a very basic description of what I want. And this is what it looks like. Build a mobile app called Mentormind. This should be the design language, dark, premium UI. You don't need to mention this. Even if you don't mention this, it will automatically pick it up and create a great design for you. This is what the home screen should be. Then it should have these 4 mentors. So Albert Einstein, Elon Musk, Madame Marie Curie, Isaac Newton, and then you can tap any card and open a chat screen with them. And then each mentor has unique chat backgrounds, color, texture to feel distinct. Then this is what the entire chat is going to look like. Now I can just start on this and Replit will start building this mobile app in the background for me. Now, while our mentor app is getting built, let me show you another app that I've built with Replit, and let's try to integrate a payment system over here. So the app is called Cold Email Generator. The way it works is that I can simply just paste the job description that I have if I want to apply for a role, and I can click on generate emails, and it will create 3 email drafts that I can pick from and send it to the recruiter so that I can get my first interview scheduled. Now I've made it in a card interface, so you can swipe right or left if you like it or if you don't like it, and then it gets saved in your dashboard and you can view it later. I will basically scan this QR code. I will allow Expo Go. So Expo Go is a simple app that you can download on your iPhone, and you can start experimenting with this app that you've just built on Replit. So this is the logo of our app, Cold Email Generator. It's loading the app, as you can see right here. It's downloading the files, the data, and it will then show the app and we can test it out over here. So before you launch this app on the App Store, you can see how it looks, how it feels. If you want to fix some bugs, you can do that before you launch it on the App Store. So that's basically what Expo Go helps you out with. Let's see. Okay, so this says this is the developer menu, gives you access. Okay, go. So this is what the app looks like. Again, very similar. Let me copy some text and let me just paste a job description right here, and let's click on generate emails. Now, one thing you can see is that my keyboard is still active even though I've stopped typing. So I can maybe ask it that you want to fix this error so that it can do that in the future. So that's basically how you can test out the app. So it's going to work. And you can see that it says 3 of 3 free generations remaining this month. So this was intentional because once you hit that 3 limit, I should be able to give you a premium tier upgrade option. And that is what we will do next. So this is what the emails look like. If I like it, I can swipe right, swipe left, swipe right. And this is what I have with me right here. Now let's add a premium tier to this app. So normally you would be using something like a Razorpay, or you would integrate it with Stripe. But the problem is with Stripe and Razorpay, you have to still handle all the backend yourself, while RevenueCat takes all of that stress and the hard work away from you. So RevenueCat links directly with the App Store or the Google Play Store to enable anyone to start paying for your app via one-time purchase or in-app purchases subscriptions. Close to 50% of all mobile apps today are using RevenueCat to actually get all the payments processed. And that just tells you the benefits of it. Number one, RevenueCat links directly with App Store or Google Play Store, which means you don't have to set up any payment or payment wall logic. You get receipt validation, you can track subscription statuses, you can even get and restore purchases across various devices. Number two, cross-platform subscriptions just work seamlessly with RevenueCat. So let's say I use your app on the iOS version and I purchase it from there. Then I log in into my same account on the Play Store app. Would it still retain the purchase? Well, if you would use Stripe or Razorpay, you would have to write all the code, all the logic yourself. But here, RevenueCat handles all of that. It just has this one SDK, one backend through which it communicates everything and ensures that the same purchase you did on the iOS version of the app retains on the Android version of the app as well. And because of the native integration of RevenueCat into Replit, it makes it very intuitive for you to just type in English and give it commands to change the pricing, change certain controls. You can view all the subscriptions and the paywalls and just get everything done at ease on Replit itself. So here I would basically just go and paste this. So add a premium tier to the cold email generator app. Premium would be unlimited emails plus follow-up sequences, 3 follow-up chain after the cold email. Add a Go Premium button that shows a payment screen. Integrate RevenueCat, React Native SDK, and then we have to enter the product ID over here. So then I'll just click on enter. And now it will start working with integrating this app with RevenueCat. And it has asked us to connect to RevenueCat. So we will basically just connect RevenueCat with Replit so that whenever we use Replit to make any other app, we can very easily just use RevenueCat to enable purchases inside our app. So we will continue to RevenueCat. And I will give it all permission. It is connected. And now it should have access to RevenueCat. And that's all. It was just like 2 buttons, 2 clicks, and I'm good to go. And while it integrates with RevenueCat, let me show you how beautiful our Mentormind app looks. Look at this. You can talk with any of these people, and it made all of these images, and it created this entire design right here. Swipe to explore. So I can now click over here and I can start beginning the conversation with any of these people. Hi, how are you? And I can press on enter. So you can see it says 1 question remaining today. So we are already in the free tier. So it shows us all of these limitations as well. So it gave me a response right there and I can go back. I can talk with any other person as well. I can say why to go to Mars and I can ask this question to Elon Musk. So just an example of how these things work. Now, if this app looks good, we can simply just publish this. And once it is published, we can start viewing this app on Expo Go itself. And on the RevenueCat website, you can already see it building this dashboard and entering all the details that you wanted for your app. Okay, so this right here is the app that we built, Mentormind, now on my phone. As you can see, I can very easily just test out this app. I can start chatting, begin the conversation, and I can have chats with all of these people. So that's just how this app works. It's very simple, but now let's add the payment functionality for it. So this will be my prompt. Add free versus premium tier to Mentormind. Free tier would be 2 questions per day per mentor. and access to all 4 mentors. After 2 questions, show paywall, your mentor has more to say. And then we will have the option to upgrade to a premium tier. Unlimited questions with all mentors, deep dive mode, challenge me button, just a lot more features get unlocked if you upgrade, right? So paywall screen, this is what it will look like, integrate RevenueCat native SDK. And with just that one prompt, we will now be able to integrate a payment system into our app with the help of RevenueCat. And on the other side, on the cold email generator app, you can already see an option to upgrade to premium. Let's quickly republish this app and then try accessing it on my phone. All right, so now the app is published and we can simply open my phone and scan this to load the app over here. So this is the cold email generator app. Now with the RevenueCat integration for me to start upgrading to the premium tier. So it says upgrade for limited follow-ups. So as you can see, it creates the screen, go premium, unlimited generations, follow-up sequences, priority AI model, cancel anytime. So I can click on subscribe, I can confirm purchase and test valid purchase. This is the sandbox environment. So basically a way for me to test it out before I actually put it out in the real world, and it works. So this is now actually working. We have a real test case. If you go on to the RevenueCat website, you can see this dashboard exists, right? So if I were to refresh this, we can see the sandbox data. And over here, you would see that we just earned $10 in revenue. And it was made by someone, obviously this is me in India, and I just purchased the Cold Email Pro. So you see how it works? I simply had to connect my Replit with RevenueCat and it just made all the connections on its own. That's the power of it. Now imagine making games, imagine making these habit trackers, imagine making any type of app that helps people learn a particular skill and just adding a simple upgrade to premium option, charging them $5, $10 every single month and start making thousands of dollars every single month by simply creating apps like these and launching them on the App Store. Now, if you like how the app looks and you want to now finally publish it on the App Store, you can simply come over here and start publishing to App Store. So this will launch a Expo Dev graphic UI, wherein it will ask you a lot of questions about your Apple developer account. You will need to then test the app on Test Flight, which is an app that Apple has built through which you can download this app and start testing it. So you need to just click on continue and you can sign in with Apple. So let me just do this quickly. It will prepare the app and I can simply just click on launch to App Store. That's how quick it is with Expo built right into Replit. Let me just quickly scan this and it will now open this app and let's see the payment integration into Mentormind. So this is the app. We can chat with anyone that we want. So let's chat with Albert Einstein. Hi. How old are you? Let's ask like any basic question. And now the limit has been reached. So this will now ask me, I can still try typing and it will ask me to now upgrade. So great minds don't give advice by the hour. So you can either go for the annual version or you can go for the monthly version. And let's just say I want to go for the annual one. So I can start this premium subscription, confirm this purchase, and I want to test a valid purchase over here and I'm good to go. So now I can keep chatting with Albert Einstein however long I want to. So we've just learned how to integrate payments and accepting payments with the help of RevenueCat and Replit. And as I said before, if you like this app, you can simply just go here and start publishing it to the App Store. The same steps you will follow again by going on to Expo, log in into your Apple developer account, and then you will be able to launch this app on the App Store. That is the video. That is how you build and launch apps and monetize them and start making money, all thanks to Replit. Now, if you want to try out Replit, the link is in the description of this video. Go give it a try and tell me what app you end up building. And I will see you on the next video. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. Also type I watched till the very end if you're still watching, and I'll see you in the next one.